Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to uninstall any program and remove leftovers in Windows 11. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. If you're stuck with application on your computer that you no longer use or want, you can easily remove them to free up take space and unclutter your start menu. Windows 10 and 11 both include a built-in uninstall option available through the start menu, settings screen, and control panel. So cleanly removing a Windows Universal app is relatively easy. So in this video, I will show you how to do it. So first of all, you can go to control panel. So you can just go in here on your menu start menu. You can go to settings. You can search for control panel. This one. Now you can go to programs, uninstall a program. You can select on that. And in here you can just choose on the program that you want to uninstall from your PC or laptop. For example, I want to uninstall any text from my PC, from my device. So you can select on the app. You can click right. There is an option uninstall or change. You can just select on that. Select on uninstall or change. Click on yes. You can remove configuration files. You can uninstall. So now, if you check in here, now any text has been removed from element could be not deleted. Okay. So now you have deleted that app from your uh, device, PC or laptop. As you can see in here, there's no more any text from on my control panel. Now you can also delete the leftover in here. You can press the key Windows plus R. From here you can type regedit, enter. You select on yes. So here you can search for the application folder that you just uninstalled if there's still. And here you can delete it. You can delete the folder from the application that you just uninstall. It's very simple, right? You can delete. As you can see in here, I don't have the any text folder. So if you find the file, the folder, you can just click right on the folder and delete it. It's very simple, right? So that is how to delete, how to uninstall any program and remove leftovers in Windows 11. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.